So welcome students. So in this question you're given 3 points P, Q, R, minus 1, 0, 0, 0 and 3, 3 root 3. You're asked to find the angle bisector of the angle PQR. So the angle bisector of the angle PQR obviously passes through Q. Now, so if you want the angle bisector, so let us find some angles. These points given are very straightforward points. So if you find the angle made by this line QR with x-axis, that can be found out by finding the slope of this. What is the slope of QR? What is the slope of RQ? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 3 root 3 minus 0 by 3 minus 0. That is equal to root 3. The slope of this line is equal to root 3. Hence, this angle will be equal to 60 degrees, right? Because the slope is nothing but tan theta. So this angle is 60 degrees. Hence, what is the remaining angle? The remaining angle is 120 degrees. So if you find the angle bisector, that divides this 120 degrees into two equal halves. So this angle will be equal to 60 degrees and this angle will also be equal to 60 degrees. Now, once this angle is 60 degrees, if you want the slope of this line makes an angle of 120 degrees with x-axis. This line makes an angle of 120 degrees with x-axis. So the slope of the angle bisector is nothing but tan of 120 degrees. That is equal to minus root 3. Minus root 3. So what is the equation of this line? Y is equal to mx, right? Y is equal to minus root 3 times x. Or root 3x plus y is equal to 0. So this will be the equation of angle bisector. So this is one way of finding the angle bisector if the points are very good. But sometimes the points might not be very straightforward. So in that case, there is another method which can be used, which is called angle bisector theorem method. So you have a method called angle bisector theorem method. So what is this? What does this method say? The angle bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of adjacent sides. So if this point is S, S divides PR in the ratio of the lengths of QP is to QR. What is QP is to QR? QP is nothing but 1 unit. QR is nothing but root of 27 plus 9. Root of 36 is 6. So if this length is 1, this length is equal to 6. So S divides PR in the ratio 1 is to 6. So 1 is to 6. Now what is the point S? So the point S is given by 1 into 3 plus 6 into minus 1 by 1 plus 6 is 7. And 1 into 3 root 3 is 3 root 3 plus 6 into 0 is 0 by 7. That is equal to minus 3 by 7 comma 3 root 3 by 7. And this point is having the coordinates minus 3 by 7 comma 3 root 3 by 7. So once you have this point, you have an origin, you can find the slope. The slope of angle bisector is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 root 3 by 7 by minus 3 by 7. 7 and 7 gets cancelled, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So you have minus root 3. So you get the same value here. So slope is minus root 3. Hence the equation is again same. Thank you.